Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to log out your account on Google Play Store. So first, let's open our Play Store app, and then as we can see in the upper right of our screen, we can see the notification bell and the avatar or our profile. So click that, and then in here click this arrow so that you can see this manage accounts on this device. So click that, and then we are here in the users and account. So if you want to log out your Google account in the Play Store, just find it here. So in my case, it's here account, and if you want to log out, just remove account, and your account will be automatically log out in the Play Store. So that's all.